Hi, this is Polybanteaches and I am Sagorika Banerjee. Once again, I am back with another exciting video of English grammar. Today, I am going to teach you the topic conjunctions. As this is a big topic, so this will be taught to you in 3 different videos. So let us begin with the today's class. This is the part 1 of the video. So before I start teaching you, let me just share my screen with you all. So as I start with the topic conjunctions, let me just read these sentences. God made the country and man made the town. Second sentence, our hoard is little, but our hearts are great. The third sentence is, she must weep or she will die. And the fourth sentence is, 2 and 2 make 4. So in all these 4 sentences, there is a specific word which is joining them. In sentence 1 and 2 and 3, the conjunctions join together 2 sentences. How? Let me show you. God made the country. This is one separate sentence. And the other sentence is, man made the town. Now these 2 separate sentences are joined together with a conjunction that is and. So it becomes a complete one sentence. God made the country and man made the town. Let us see the second example. Our hoard is little, but our hearts are great. Again, there are 2 separate sentences. Our hoard is little and the other one is our hearts are great. Now these 2 are joined together with a conjunction, but. Let's see the third one. She must weep or she will die. Now another conjunction or is used to join these 2 separate sentences into one. She must weep or she will die. But in the fourth sentence, you can see that there are no 2 different sentences. There is only one sentence, but 2 words are joined together. So in sentence number 4, the conjunction joins together 2 words only. 2 and 2. So the conjunction is and. 2 and 2 make 4. So the definition of conjunction is, a conjunction is a word which merely joins together sentences and sometimes words. So conjunction join together sentences and often make them more compact. Thus, if I say Balu and Vittal are bowlers, are good bowlers, it is a short way of saying the sentence Balu is a good bowler and Vittal is a good bowler. So instead of saying in 2 different sentences, I can combine them into one single sentence, which is a better version of the other 2 sentences, and that is Balu and Vittal are good bowlers. Now the second, next one, another example is, the man is poor but honest. This is a contracted form of saying the man is poor but he is honest. So instead of saying or writing the man is poor but he is honest, we can write the man is poor but honest. So but is the conjunction which is joining the sentences. Sometimes, however, the conjunction joins words only. Let us see. 2 and 2 make 4. Remember sentence number 4? Then Hari and Rama are brothers. Hari and Rama came home together. So in such sentences, in all these 3 sentences, such sentences cannot be resolved in 2 sentences. You cannot write like 2 make 4. You have to put it in one single sentence. So conjunctions must be carefully distinguished from relative pronouns, relative adverbs, and prepositions, which are also connecting words. So we need to understand that conjunctions must be carefully distinguished from, sometimes they are used as relative pronouns, sometimes they are used as relative adverb, and sometimes as prepositions. But what are conjunctions, that we need to understand. Look at these sentences. Here the same word which we have read in conjunction can be used in other ways. Like they can be used as relative pronoun, they can be used as relative adverb or conjunction. Let us see. This is the house that Jack built. So in this sentence, that is the word which is used as a relative pronoun. In the second sentence, this is the place where he was murdered. Now, where is the word which is used as relative adverb? Now, let us see the third sentence. Take this and give that. Here again that same word which was previously used in sentence number 1 as relative pronoun, that is that, is used as a conjunction in the third sentence. So in first sentence, the relative pronoun that refers to the noun house and also joins the two parts of the sentences. Okay, in second sentence, the relative adverb where modifies, where is the word? Modifies the verb, that is was murdered, and also joins the two parts of sentences. But in sentence 3, the conjunction and simply joins the two parts of the sentence. It does no other work. So now you have understood. Therefore, the difference between relative pronouns, relative adverbs and conjunctions and prepositions are, it will be thus seen that relative pronouns and relative adverbs also join. So don't get confused. But they do more work. Means in case of relative pronoun, they, apart from joining the sentences or joining the words, it also does the function of a relative pronoun. In case of relative adverbs, it also works as relative adverb apart from joining. But in conjunction merely joins. They do not do any other work. Now observe that a preposition also joins two words, but it does more work. It governs a noun or a pronoun. That means it does the function of a preposition. Like in the sentence given below, he sat beside me. Beside is the preposition. He stood behind me. Behind is again a preposition. Now, some conjunctions are used in pairs. How? Like either or. Either take it or leave it. This is a conjunction. Neither nor. It is neither useful nor ornamental. Like we both love and honor him. Next is though yet. Very rare in current English. Though he is suffering much pain, yet he does not complain. Then is whether or. I do not care whether you go or stay. And in the last one, not only but also. Not only is he foolish, but also obstinate. Now let us see conjunctions which are thus used in pairs. What are they called? They are called as correlative conjunctions, or we can say merely correlatives. So when conjunctions are used as correlatives, each of the correlated words should be placed immediately before the words to be connected. As he visited not only Agra, means I have to use it before the word, immediately before the word to which it is connected. So he visited not only Agra but also Delhi. And he not only visited Agra but also Delhi. So this cannot be written. Is it clear? We use many compound expressions as conjunctions. These are called compound conjunctions. Okay, so in order that the notice was published in order that all might know the facts. So this is compound conjunction. Why compound conjunction? Because compound expressions are used. Now few more examples of compound conjunction. On condition that. I will forgive you on condition that you do not repeat the offense. Even if such an act would not be kind even if it were just. Next is so that. He saved some bread so that he should not go hungry on the morrow. Next is provided that. You can borrow the book provided that you return it soon. And another one is as though. He walks as though he is slightly lame. Few more are there. In as much as. I must refuse your request in as much as I believe it unreasonable. As well as Rama as well as Govind was present there. as soon as. He took off his coat as soon as he entered the house. As if. He looks as if he were weary. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. That is hashtag Polybanteaches. And yes, do not forget to click on the bell icon. So till I bring more videos, bye bye.